So now let's see how we can work around with cover letter inside of ChatGPT. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto Explore GPTs, and then I'm going to go around onto the writing section right here. And over here you can see that cover letter is an option. So if I were to go around onto the cover letter section right here, I can go ahead and start a chat right here. So let's say, for example, I am applying for a job as a video editor as a fresh graduate. So I'm just going to go around and say write a cover letter for me right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, it says to create a custom tailored cover letter for you, I need a bit more information, like could you please provide me with your resume and link to the job you're applying for. So I'm just going to go around and say just add in dummy data right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and do that, and it says here's a general cover letter right here, just like this. So you can see that it adds in all of the details right here, and it says, dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my enthusiasm for video editor position at company name and advertise on as recent graduate with a bachelor's degree in film and media studies from university right here, just like this. And you can see that this is what you have right here. It added in information such as I'm good in editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, After Effects, and so forth, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize the cover letter plugin inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.